In 1687, Isaac Newton discovered a minimum speed. Launch exactly at this speed, and the object just barely escapes the planet's gravity. Today, we're going to derive this speed. Consider a planet of mass m and radius r. A projectile of mass m starts at the surface. We launch it with the minimum speed v so that it just barely escapes the planet's gravity. As the projectile escapes, it moves infinitely far away. At infinity, its speed has reduced to zero. It doesn't fall back because at infinite distance, the gravitational pull of the planet is negligible. So we apply conservation of mechanical energy, which states that the initial mechanical energy of the system equals the final mechanical energy of the system. The total mechanical energy is the sum of kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy. The kinetic energy is half mv square from the projectile. The planet contributes zero kinetic energy since it is at rest. The gravitational potential energy at the surface is minus gmm over r. So the total initial mechanical energy is half mv square minus gmm over r. In the final state, the projectile is at rest, so its kinetic energy is zero. Since the distance is infinite, the gravitational potential energy is also zero. Therefore, the final mechanical energy is zero. Using conservation of mechanical energy, the initial energy equals the final energy. Solving for V, we get V equals square root 2gm over r. Notice that the mass of the projectile cancels out. This means a heavy and a light projectile escape at the same speed. Can you calculate the escape speed of Earth? Drop your answer in the comments.